Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zona ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
As the chairperson is to ensure that all the members of the committee feel that they are part of the committee, that there's no bias towards one party or the other.
Ikomiti lasephalamende elisungulelwe ukucubungula ngenqubo yokususwa kukamengameli wezwe esikhundleni libambe umhlangano walo wokuqokwa kasihlalo walo njengoba sekuqokwe uMakashulekana weRise Mzansi njengozoba ngusihlalo wekomiti.
Why do you think you were moved in February 2023?
Am I allowed to say? I think I'm standing on their toes.
Truly, that it's quite a waste of a resource to take you to.
Warrant Officer Carl Senda wamaHawks KwaZulu-Natal utshela ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi akazi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi abe umsolwa odabeni lokunyamalala kwezidakamizwa zohlobo lwecocaine zesisindo esingu 540 kilograms okwenzeka ePortchepston ngo-2021.
The amount of general fuel levy relief has been reduced by R1.50 per litre for petrol and by R1.96 per litre for diesel.
Abashayeli beimoto bazoyiqala kabi lenyanga uNhlangulana njengoba intengo yopetrol izokhuphuka ngolwesithathu.
Yes, and those 10 days will going very quick. I'm sure of it. Once we are there, we are starting working, focusing on the game of the first game against Mexico.
Ibafana kanye nomqeqeshi weqembu uHugo Bruce bebejabule kakhulu emva kokufika esikhumulweni seyindiza ngaphambi kokuthi leli qembu liflathele libangise kumqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba ezosingathwa eMelika, eCanada kanye naseMexico. Sikubingelele umbukeli ngikwamukele indabeni zehora lesikhombisa. Igama lami nguNoxolo Mamtshali wakwamwali ihlaba ngaleli mhlophe qwa. Uza kwethu ositolikela ngolimi lwempawu uFortune Madlala. Ake sibheke ukuthi sikuphathele ziphi kusihlwa. Ikomiti lasephalamende elisungulelwe ukucubungula ngenqubo yokususwa kukamengameli wezwe esikhundleni libambe umhlangano walo wokuqokwa kasihlalo walo njengoba sekuqokwe uMakashulekana weRise Mzansi njengozoba ngusihlalo wekomiti. Ikomiti lizobhekisisa ngeinsolo ezibucayi ezithinta umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ngodaba lokutholakala kwezishaqane zamadola aseMelika eplazini lakhe iPhalaphala.
Uthenje makuvulwa ithuba lokuba kuphakanyiswa amagama iANC bengokuqala ukwenza isiphakamiso.
My name is Mikateko Mahlaule, deployed by the African National Congress. I stand to nominate the name of Honorable Makashulekana.
Sayo sithole ukwesekwa ngamaqembu okubalwa kuyi-DA, FF+, Al-Jamaa kanye neRise Mzansi. UGana wake waba yilungu le-DA ePhalamende. Ngo-2023 Rise Mzansi yamqoka njengomgqugquzeli wayo kuzwelonke, kwathi ngo-2024 wabuyela ekubeni yilungu lePhalamende. Uthi uqonda kahle umsebenzi okufanele wenze njengosihlalo wekomiti nakuba ngeke kube lula.
As the chairperson is to ensure that all the members of the committee feel that they are part of the committee, that there's no bias towards one party or the other, that at all times we remain loyal to the constitution.
Ubalule nobuhlakani bokuthi usihlalo wekomiti kungabi ngoqhamuka ngaphakathi kuANC nokuwumbono ofakazelwe nangusotswebhu omkhulu weANC ePhalamende.
We realize that there is a growing concern about the ANC taking over all what appears to be major responsibilities. We are chairing the ad hoc committee, obviously with an interest that we can chair the impeachment committee, but as we're consulting in the GNU, the point was made that the ANC must reflect on whether or not it only believes that the work of the committee will succeed if the ANC is at the helm.
Ugana uthi umsebenzi wokuqala njengosihlalo kuzoba ukuhlangana namalungu ekomiti kudingidwe ngomkhombandlela wokusebenza.
Umndeni kaMarius van der Merwe ushayele ihlombe isinqumo senkantolo yemantshi yaseBrakpan sokwenqabela ibhayili ummangalelwa uMathiphandile Sotheni osolwa ngokusoconga uVan der Merwe. Inkantolo ithole ukuthi umbuso unobufakazi obanele obeyamanisa uSotheni neyecala lokubulawa kaVan der Merwe owayaziwa ngoWitness D ebufakazini bakhe kuKhomishana kaMadlanga.
uSotheni ubhekene namacala ayishumi-nesithupha okubalwa phakathi kwawo elokwakha uzungu lokubulala kanye nokubulala ahlobene nokusoconga kukaMarius van der Merwe ngoZibandlela ka-2025 owadutshulwa phambi kwezingane zakhe nomkakhe. Imantshi ithe uSotheni kungenzeka alibalekele icala uma enikezwa ibhayili.
Both parties confirmed that the contents of the police docket except his warning statement were not disclosed. However, he knows the fact that the police docket went missing. He continued to allege that the state is working on a second docket. He does not disclose how he got this information.
Kube umunyu nenjabulo emndenini kaVan der Merwe kulandela isinqumo sokuchithwa kwebhayili kaSotheni.
Definitely it's a victory, but it's emotional victory. Like I'm happy at the same time that he didn't get bail. Happy with family, we all will be celebrating this. But with this, it comes emotions of why did they take my brother away? Why did they have to kill him in that way?
I-NPA nayo isamukele isinqumo senkantolo.
As the state, we welcome this ruling as we see it as the right step towards the right direction to providing justice for the Van der Merwe family.
uMathiphandile Sotheni uzoqhubeka agcinwe ngaphakathi esitokisini kuze kube ubuyela enkantolo mhla zingamashumi-30 ngenyanga ezayo lapho kuzobe sekuqhubeka khona icala.
Warrant Officer Carl Senda wamaHawks KwaZulu-Natal utshele iKhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi akazi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi abe umsolwa odabeni lokunyamalala kwezidakamizwa zohlobo lwecocaine zesisindo esingu-540 kilograms okwenzeka ePortshepstone ngo-2021.
Warrant Officer Carl Senda wophiko lwamaHawks esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal utshele isigcawu sekhomishana ukuthi impumelelo yakhe ekulwisaneni nezidakamizwa kungenzeka ukuthi yamdalela amazinyo abushelelezi kulabo asebenza nabo.
Why do you think you were moved in February 2023?
Am I allowed to say? I think I'm standing on their toes.
Can you just elaborate on that?
Maybe being too successful, too many good recoveries.
uSanda uqhube wathi amacala enkohlakalo awavulelwa inhloko yamaHawks KwaZulu-Natal uMajor General Lisitsha Sinona kwakuyitulo nje lokumphazamisa emsebenzini wokulwa nezidakamizwa.
I was accused of supplying or facilitating the supply of narcotics to the Florida Road nightclub syndicates.
Did you ever get an outcome of what the investigation?
No, Commissioner.
Omunye wabantu abaphewa ngemibuzo ngemuva kokunyamalala kwezidakamizwa zohlobo lwecocaine okuthiwa kwenzeka ePortshepstone kodwa uyachitha ukuthi wake waba sendaweni yesigameko.
I was a suspect. I was called in, I was polygraphed for it. I was never there. That's all I know about the Portshepstone matter.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uSanda aqhubeke nokwethula ubufakazi bakhe kusasa.
Abashayeli beimoto bazoyiqala kabi lenyanga uNhlangulana njengoba intengo yopetrol izokhuphuka ngoLwesithathu. Abazothola ukuphefumula kangconywana ke yilabo beimoto ezisebenzisa udizili ngoba phola wona uzoxegiswa nje kancane.
Intengo yopetrol izokhuphuka ngo-R1.43 ilitha, udizili wona uzokwehla ngo-R3.25 ilitha. Umnyango wamagugu ambiwayo uqinisekise ukuthi uparafin kuhlele ukuba wehle ngo-R7.95 ilitha. Ukhulumela umnyango uRobert Make uthi ukuxegiswa kwamanani kwenziwe ukwehla kwentengo yempahla etholakala kwamanye amazwe.
The amount of general fuel levy relief has been reduced by R1.50 per litre for petrol and by R1.96 per litre for diesel, in line with the announcement by the Minister of Finance. The slate levy increased by 35 cents per litre from 122.7 to 157.74 cents per litre in the price structures of both petrol and diesel.
Usomnotho uViv Gavenda uthi ukuxegisa kwentengo angeke kuqhubeke isikhathi eside.
The government's going to be facing quite a tough period going ahead. We have obviously, had a good budget in the last one around that was like, had a nice surplus, etc. But a lot of those things but we're not guaranteed to continue. For instance, things like the gold price have come down significantly, and that's obviously going to affect the fiscus to a certain extent.
Ukwenyuka kwentengo yophethiloli kufika esikhathini lapho abathengi bekhala bezithulisa njengoba bebheke nengcindezi ngokwezimali kulandela ukwenyuswa kwemali imboleko kumenyezelwe yibhange lombuso ngeledlule.
We are going to be seeing, inflation this year, be above 4. Above the 3 target next year, and only return to the target basically by like 2028 according to the Reserve Bank.
Intela yophethiloli nodizili kulindele ukuthi ibuyiselwe ngoNtulikazi kanti angeke kusaba khona ukuxikiselwa kwabathengi emva kwalokho.
Ukalisi sathi qu eyitolo siyabuya nezinye indaba unganyakazi. Siphinde sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele indabeni kusihlwa sikukhumbuzeke ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba. Sithanda ukwexwayisa labo abanenhliziyo ezisheshe zizwele ngalombiko olandelayo. Umphakathi wasemahlongwa kwaZulu-Natal udonse ngendlebe iziphathimandla ngelokuthi bangadedelwa ngebhayili labo abasolwa ngamacala okunukubeza izingane ngokocansi. Lokhu kuqhame ngesikhathi kunombhikisho ngaphandle kwenkantolo yaseScottsburg lapho bekuvele khona ukuthi uSihle Ntshiza osolwa ngokudlwengula nokubulala indodakazi yakhe ebineminyaka eyisithupha ubudala.
Icala lika Sihle Ntshiza oneminyaka engu-32 ubudala lihlehlisiwe ukuze afake isicelo sebhayili. uNtshiza wasihoxisa isicelo sakhe sebhayili ngaphambilini. Kodwa ummeli wakhe wazise inkantolo ukuthi manje usehlose ukusebenzisa ilungelo lakhe lokufaka isicelo sebhayili. Ngaphandle kwenkantolo, ababhikishi bezwakalise intukuthelo bathi bayaphikisana nokuthi anikwe ibhayili uNtshiza. Amalungu omndeni athi ubucayi bamacala athweswe wona adinga ukuthi ahlale esitokisini ngenkathi icala liqhubeka.
Siswama ngifuna ukamba manga somndeni siphoxekile kakhulu because we feel like there's been ukudrageka kwezinto and thina yikho into esifuna ukuyibona njengengane yethu ithola ubulungiswa lo besibufunayo.
Amalungu omphakathi kanye namaqembu ezepolitiki ahlukahlukene baveze ukukhathazeka ngenani elikhulayo lamacala okuhlukunyezwa kwezingane eNingizimu Afrika.
Okunje namhlanje asikho happy ngako futhi akusosa kujabulela lokho ngoba egcineni umuntu uzothi unama-rights. Ama-rights asibulele kakhulu umphakathi. If ekhona uhulumeni indlela angenza ngakuthi ama-rights awakhathe umuntu athi nama-rights athi wenza into errong akazama ukuthi angenelele naye.
uNtshiza ugcinwe esitokisini kulindele ukuthi abuyele enkantolo yemantshi yaseScottsburg ngomhla ka-11 kaJune ukuyofaka isicelo sakhe sebhayili. NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eScottsburg.
Owengamele ezemfundo e-Eastern Cape uFundile Gade ubehambele umndeni kaThishanhloko odutshulwe wabulawa esikoleni samabanga aphezulu esigodini iCobosi ngaphandle kwaseNgcobo. Umncedisi Intentema udutshulwe esehhovisi lakhe esikoleni.
Usapho lalenqununu lwedandathekile emphefumulweni. Umncedisi Intentema wathukulwa wabulawa esesikolweni axelenga kuso. Usapho abahlala abafundisa insapho nabantwana besikolo bathi balahlekelwe.
Ngutata welikhaya ebeyinhloko kwelikhaya kumakhaya wethu onke silahlekelwe ngoku kuhlungu kakhulu.
Ngumzali kotitshala uze kusebenza apha kule ndawo. Even otitshala balapha esikolweni they are very much traumatized.
Urhulumente uthi ulwaphulo mthetho ekuhlaleni luchaphazela inkqubo yokufunda nokufundisa.
Funa ke sithathe igxathu sonke ekulwisaneni nalento kubonakala ngongathi ifuna uba new normal lento yecrime phakathi kokuhlala phakathi kwethu siluluntu.
Umbutho ongenzi inzuzo uthi noko kwanele ngoku wonke umuntu makathathe uxanduva lokulwisana nolwaphulo mthetho.
Ezanto zasithi isiqalo sobulumko kukuyofa. Ezanto zasithi umzali makaqeqeshe umntana endlini. Kungamelanga umntana ukuqeqeshwa nge-awareness campaigns phaya esikoleni nasestratweni nasecaweni. Bomebe siseko sobuntu siqala phaya endlini.
Sikhuthaza kanjalo ukuthi abantu abasebenza ezikolweni nabantu abasezilalini ne-communities zethu masebenze together stakeholders ezincedisana ukulwa obundlobongela bungaka ingakumbi kwiinqununu zezikolo.
Esi sikolo senze kakuhle kwiziphumo zonyaka ophelileyo ngaphantsi kwesandla sale nqununu. Amapolisa asalanela emkhondweni uqoshelisa uphando ngesi siganeko. Ndinkululeko Nyembezi weendaba ze-SABC eNgcobo.
Beyigcwele umgwaqo namhlanje izakhamuzi zasethwathwa ekuruleni njengoba zikhala ngabokufika eyifuna abaphume baphele kule ndawo. Ishoshovu nezinhlangano ezilwisana nabo kufika kuleli ngokungemthetho zibeke umnqamla juqu womhlazi ngama-30 kule nyanga ngokuthi kuzofanele babuyele emazweni abadabuka kuwo.
Izitolo zendawo kuphoqelwe ukuba zivale njengoba izakhamuzi zasethwathwa beziqoba umbhikisho zikholela ukuthi ukugcwala kwabokufika kubavalela amathuba ukuthi nabo babe namabhizinisi abo.
The informal economy must be reserved for locals. You can't have somebody coming all the way from Pakistan coming to set up a spare shop here. Who have they displaced? Our people. You can't have those people coming and to open up what you call your hair salons and all of that.
Lezakhamuzi zithi sifuna ukubuyisa uzinzo emphakathini yazo.
Siyashaya sithi thina singama Davidson sikhathele ukuthi lokhu sibhizi sibona abantu bokufika ba own amabhizinisi thina lana endaweni yokufika sibhizi asebenzi kuhlalwe emakhoneni abantwana bethu babhema ama drugs ayikho impumelelo for ama South Africans. So that's why sithi asizeni lana sizobhikisha sizibonise iSouth Africa ukuthi nathi sikhathele.
Umasipala wasekuruleni uvumile ukuthi uyakwazi ukukhathaza izakhamuzi waphinde wanxusa ababhikishayo ngokuthi bengawushayi indiva umthetho.
It's important that the concerns raised by residents are heard by the Mzimba Mayor and they are trickled down to other government departments such as Home Affairs and BMA and other agencies so that we can work together to make sure that whatever protest takes place it happens peacefully and that there's no violence.
Izakhamuzi zithi zizozungeza nakwezinye izindawo eziseduze nasekuruleni isonto lonke uqinisekisa ukuthi umlayezo uyezwakala.
Ungqongqoshe wezolimo uJohn Steenhuisen umemezele ukufika kwemithi eyengeziwe eyigidi ezingu-3.5 yokugonywa kwemfuyo njengoba uhulumeni esembidlangweni wokuzama ukunqanda isifo samatele.
Ungqongqoshe wezolimo uthela kuleli liyaqhubeka nemizamo yokulwisana nesifo samatele. Umemezele ngohlelo lwemjovo yegidi engaphezulu kwe-3 yokunqandwa kwaso lesi sifo esihlasela imfuyo.
I can therefore announce that of the 3.5 million new vaccines that have landed in the country, they will be distributed as follows. 1.5 million doses will go to the feedlot industry. 500,000 doses will go to the Red Meat Producers Organisation.
Uthi bayaqhubeka nokufunda isinqumo sokuqala senkantolo ephakeme nokuyisinqumo esaqinisekisa ukuthi abalimi bengayithengela imithi yokugomela sona isifo samatele ngaphandle kwemvume yombuso.
The judgment has been studied and is being studied by the department. I do think there are profound consequences not only for FMD but for SAHPRA and the Medicines Control Council because I think the ruling creates a precedent that I don't think a number of people have already thought through about what the implications are.
Elakuleli lisenhlelweni zokuvikela liphinde liwukhulisa umkhakha wezolimo yize sidlangile isifo samatele.
Bafana kanye nomqeqeshi weqembu Hugo Bruce bebejabule kakhulu emva kokufika esikhumulweni seIndiza ngaphambi kokuthi leli qembu liliflathele leli lilibangise kumqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba ezosingathwa eMelika, eCanada kanye naseMexico njengoba phela sekusele nje izinsuku eziyishumi ngaphambi komqhudelwano.
udaba lezincwadi esigunyaza ukuthi bafana ihambele kwelaseMexico libe sematheni kamuva kubanje umhlangano ophuthumayo kuze kudingidwe ngaloludaba kuqoqa ababili abazolekelela umphathi weqembu uVincent Tseka emsebenzini wakhe.
We said that Mr. Sibam, the HOD, Molantwa, Vincent Tseka and the coach, they will form a committee and they will make sure that everything runs according to the book.
uJordan utusa kakhulu umnyango wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba kanenxusa laseMelika abafaka isandla ukuze liqembu lithola amavisa eNingizimu Afrika manje isalelo isikhathi singaphedluzwana kwesonto ukuzilungiselela umdlalo walo oqala kwendebe yomhlaba.
Yes, and those 10 days will going very quick. I'm sure of it. Once we are there, we are starting working, focusing on the game of the first game against Mexico. So time will pass very, very quickly.
Nabalandeli sebawubhenga bovu lomdlalo.
I'm happy that they did qualify and at least South Africa's got an opportunity to actually view the thing because we had a good 2010 World Cup here.
Iphini lomqeqeshi Herman Mkhelele uyena kuphela obengawathola amaphepha amgunyaza ukuhamba neqembu uzoze ahlanganise neqembu mase liqondile udaba lamaphepha akhe.
Mbukeli uma ngabe sibuya ezitolo sobe sesikuphatheleke umhlahlo wesimo sezulu nesangoma sezulu umkhushulwa Msimanga.
Mbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangane njengoba sisho sithi phansi amaphapha sikho imvula esingazilindele ebusuku banamhlanje ngaqhubana ukubalela nje kakhulukazi ke mongena lapha kwaZulu Natal sika ngamafu mongena ke engxenyeni ezingasenyakatho siye siyongena kakhulukazi lapha ngeseningizimu ntshonalanga ngasikaza ngamafu kanti ke ngakusasa singaqhubeka nje silindele ukuthi ke ube khona umsingo obandayo kakhulukazi osondelayo kakhulukazi engxenyeni ke ezingaseningizimu mongena lapha ngaseKapa singathola nje imkhemezelo okanye imkhizo kulozo ndawo hamba njalo uyongena ke kakhulukazi engxenyeni ezilapha Eastern Cape siye siyongena kwaZulu Natal sisho sithi ke nje phansi amaphaphu ngaqhubana nokubalela sika ngamafu mongena engxenyeni ke esenyakatho kanjalo nasenkabeni yezwe kanti ke masihlabela phambili asisho sithi ke ngokubheka kakhulukazi kwefundazwe zakithi kuyabanda nje kakhulukazi ke ikakhulukazi isifundazwe saseGauteng ekseni emini kodwa kufana njengoba ungena lapha koPitora kube u20 sisho siyongena ke ikakhulukazi engxenyeni ezingasenyakatho ngenxa ukuthi kusebusika ngathanda nje ukubanda kakhulukazi ke ekhathini zasekuseni kodwa emini liye ngokufudumala mongena lapha koMessina kanjalo nakoThoyando kanti ke masihlabela phambili siyobheka kakhulukazi ke isifundazwe saseMpumalanga ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke kusabande ekseni mongena kakhulukazi ke lapho ko-Emelo nasendaweni ke ephakeme kodwa emincha nokho lingaphakathi nje liye ngokufudumala kodwa mongena kakhulukazi engxenyeni esehlanzeni kosikukuza sisho sithi ke mongena kwaZulu Natal ke bande eduze kwento abazokhahlamba ikakhulukazi ekhathini zasekuseni lapha komnambithi yongena koBackville kanti ke masihamba siyobheka ngophamwenhlevelanga kuso sonke isifundazwe sakwaZulu Natal lithanda nje ukufudumala kamnandi nalapha komhlaba yalingana sabe siyongena Eastern Cape ibe njalo indaba mongena kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni ze-Eastern Cape singalindela ukuthi kuthande nje ukubandi kakhulukazi ekhathini ke zasekuseni kodwa ke ngokuphamwenhlevelanga lingathanda nje ukuthi ke libe phakathi liye ngokufudumala mongena ke ikakhulukazi lapha eMthatha sabe siyongena eWestern Cape njengoba sisho sithi entshonalanga koloni singalindela ukuthi ke lithande nje ukuba phakathi emini kodwa ke ngabanda kancane mongena kakhulukazi ke ekhathini zasekuseni koBufort West libe phakathi ngamabili amashumi siyongena ke ikakhulukazi enyakatho koloni lapha eNorthern Cape njengoba sisho sithi ke ngathanda nje ukuthi ke kubande kancane mongena lapha kuKhalvina ngenxa ukuthi kusendaweni ke ephakeme nokho libe phakathi ke ngokuphama kwenhlamvelanga uyongena lapha koKurumani koKhimbali sambe siyongena ikakhulukazi kolase Freestata ibe njalo indaba ke banda ngempela ke mongena ekseni ikakhulukazi koqoqo koPhuta Dishaba emini thande nje ukuba phakathi kanti ke masamba siyongena ikakhulukazi ke sesiyovala siyongena lapha eNorth West ngivumele ngithi ke ekseni kuthanda ukubanda kancane nokho lingathanda nje ukuba phakathi engxenyeni eziningi eNorth West ngivumele ngithi ke ngedethe indaba enobusuku obuhle.
Mbukelisi sibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona kusihlwa kusasa hlangabeza oza kwethu neindaba ngolwimi lwesiXhosa ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.